1 with a rating of 92.60% from St. Jude College, Dasmariñas, Cavite, Incorporated, Abigail Escueta Cayana. May I request everybody to please rise as we
I would like to extend a warm welcome to our honored guest speaker this morning, Honorable Jose Y. Cueto Jr., our Commissioner.
put your hands together for Honorable Carmelita C. de Benagracia.
Gandang umaga po sa inyong lahat.
Honorable Carmelita de Benagracia just put a lot of pressure on me because of the introduction. Dahil simula nung pumasok kayo sa College of Nursing, School of Nursing, talagang seryoso kayong nag-aaral. Walang nagtatagsa ka. But mind you,
32 passers out of 36 examinees for a passing percentage of 88.89%. The Manila Adventist College. June 2024 in the PICC Pasay City. Signed, the Board of Nursing. Of the May 2024 Philippine Nurses Licensure Examination from the St. Jude College, Dasmariñas, Cavite, Incorporated, Nurse Abigail Escueta Cayana.
To all the guests of the Philippine Board of Nursing, to the Professional Regulation Commission, the Philippine Nurses Association, to Honorable
Rating of 92.60% from the St. Jude College, Dasmariñas, Cavite, Incorporated, Abigail Escueta Cayana.
Hereby solemnly swear that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines, that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same, that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and executive orders promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines, and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. I further solemnly swear that at all times and places I will adhere closely to the ethical and professional rules generally accepted by the nursing profession in the Philippines, and that I will well and faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties and obligations to incumbent upon a legally authorized nurse practitioner. So help me God. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the throne of justice.
Congratulations, newly minted nurses. Give yourselves another round of applause. You may now be seated.